Once again, class 12 CBSE Physics, today's board exam 5553, question number 30. That is the case-based problems. First question, what is the property of light? Does this interference experiment demonstrate? And the correct answer is option A, wave nature of light. That is Young's double slit experiment. It demonstrates the wave nature of light. In the second A option, the wavelength of the light used in this experiment. Here also Young's double slit formula, beta is equal to delta D divided by small d. Substituting the values, we will get 480 millimeter. That is the option C. That is the correct answer. Option is C. The B option, the fringe width in the interference pattern formed on the screen is, that is beta is equal to 1.2 millimeter. That is option A, 1.2 millimeter is the correct choice. The third question, the path difference between the two waves meeting at point P where there are minimum interference path is. Path difference is delta by 2, null substituting, and then we will find 3 delta by 2, that's equal to 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 7. That is the option B is the correct answer. And the fourth one, the fringe is decreased, therefore the fringes becomes closer together. And the option is D. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching all these videos. We are uploading all the subjects answer keys, and almost we do the maths solutions for class 10 and class 12. Please watch, support us. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12. Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12